Hey there and welcome to the Playmo AF YouTube channel where, check this out, today we begin the countdown to Christmas, starting with these Christmas clickies. 'Tis the season, let's get to it. Alright, if you're a regular watcher of this channel, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, well then welcome, and thanks for checking us out today. This week we're taking a look at set number 5846, the Santa Claus and Elf. Released in 2008, this duo pack comes with 18 pieces to get you excited for the holidays, which are rapidly approaching. Or, if you're like me with an ever-growing family, it's got you running for the hills. But that's another story for another channel, and my therapist. Okay, moving on. Looking at the box, we have all of our toys prominently displayed right through the window here. And then on the background we have what appears to be mistletoe. I don't see any candy canes. Everything's red and white, but I don't see any candy canes there. And then we have snow falling as well. And yeah, maybe a star or two. There's one right there. This has been around for a while, and you know, kept in pretty good condition overall. But because of the box condition, as you can see from the back here, which we're going to go over, it is dented quite a bit. You can see with the light reflecting off of it, and some of the cardboard is ripped or peeling off. And that is my dog rummaging through my room. Hi, dog. That's Roxy. Everybody say hi to Roxy. And so we've got our choking hazard warnings on the back. We've got the country manufacturer and distributor, or maybe just country manufacturer. The barcode. She's now leaning on me. I'm like trying not to fall over. And then we have all of our you're so cute. We have all of our items photographed individually here. And that is pretty much it. That is all we need to look at. So, I know I said I don't mind tearing this thing open, but I kind of do. But I'm going to go ahead and do it. Oh, look at that. It kind of already started. The glue pretty much just did it for me, because the glue is just no longer any good. So, alright. So we're cool with that. I can handle that. I'm going to put this aside so it's off camera. Everybody's fallen down out of the plastic mold here. There goes the elf. Here's the race car, since it was the first to come out there. That's really cool. I don't think I have any toys like this. You know, toys for the Playmobil toys. It's kind of funny to say, but yeah, it's not a very the wheels are not very loose, so it can't just like roll around freely. Yeah, it's not that kind of toy. It's not that kind of toy. And then we're going to look at the presents, the cardboard present here. And it's nicely decorated. It's kind of substantial. I mean, it's like cardstock, you know, so it's a harder paper, but still eventually this is not going to stand the test of time here, and pressure and weight from all the other Playmobil toys. So I might have to store it, you know, with other items that I know are going to be safe, but we'll see. Our elf has a few accessories. He comes with a football, and I like how the football has the Playmobil clicky face logo on there, along with the Playmobil lettering logo. That's really cool. And then it comes with the elf comes with this lantern. This is actually a lantern. There's a candle right there in the middle, and that's a very German thing. Yeah, not a whole lot to say there. The elf itself, the elf himself is cute. You know, it's a little boy, and he's got this green coat on with the belt, and I guess this would be fur, like a fur collar, and he's got this hat, and kind of reminds me of the Smurf hats. Oh, and his shoes are curled up. That is cool. I did not expect that, and I did not see that in through the packaging. That's really nice. Good job, Playmobil, paying attention to all those details. And then let's check out Santa Claus, Saint Nick. Not sure what's going on with the stick. I don't know much about Saint Nick or German Santa Clauses or any really foreign Santa Clauses. I just know ours doesn't carry a stick. He doesn't even carry a cane. But anyway, I like the decoration on his clothing. How there's white on here to represent fur. Would have expected. I would have preferred the longer bearded Santa. I thought that would have been kind of cool. But this is nice. It's not terrible. Or maybe they could add a bearded section here. Longer beard. Other than this, I don't know. And I kind of wish this would stay up a little bit more. But anyway, that's just my review. That's just my opinion. But I do like the fact that he's got boots on. That's kind of cool. Oh, and they're removable. All right. So he's just a red clicky pretty much with removable belts. Which is I think it's a silly option. I think these should have been molded on there to stay on there. To me, it just would have made more sense. Otherwise, it's just more pieces to have to deal with, especially if you have kids that like to play with these things. But yeah, that is our Santa Claus and Elf. That is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Please subscribe to us and follow us on Instagram for more clicky-centric material. And we will see you on the next one. Hope you're having a good day, and that's it. Bye-bye.